check it out guys. Welcome back to loloCreates. My name is Lauren and this is my channel. I make tons of DIY videos and crafty videos and hand lettering and bullet journal videos. So if you really like those types of videos, stick around, click the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and let me know in the comments down below what videos you want to see from me in the future. Today I'm super excited because this video is going to be about Chalkola chalk markers. I was recently sent some markers from Chalkola. They're not paying me to tell you guys how amazing they are, but I'm going to tell you they are amazing. They said to just review them and show you guys how they work. So this is the box that they sent me. It has 30 chalk markers. It has anything from white, purple, blue, brown, yellow, green, pink, a ton of different colors in here. They look like this, and there are so many different colors. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to use up all of them because they seem so pigmented, but I definitely will get a ton of use out of them. They have a 6mm reversible tip, so I think that means that when the marker kind of starts fraying, you can flip over the tip and use it like a brand new marker. They're for chalkboards, whiteboards, blackboards, windows, glass, ceramics, and other non-porous surfaces. I've used mine on the chalkboard they sent me as well as some whiteboards, and they're super easy to clean up. You have to spray the whiteboard with some sort of cleaner and wipe it off, and don't be afraid because it might look like it's not coming off at first because the color will kind of spread onto the whiteboard, but just take a dry cloth and it'll come off. With chalkboards, you can wipe it off with water and a wet cloth, and it comes off super easily. You do need to dry it off with a dry cloth though. They're super easy to come off, and they stay to the touch. If you try and wipe them with your hand, they're not going to come off, but I think they're a great chalk marker, and I definitely recommend that you purchase them. I will have a link in the description below with a coupon code for all of you. I will get a small commission off of anything you purchase. You don't have to use the link, but it will support me if you do. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I really recommend them for you guys, especially if you're in the market for new chalk markers or just something else to try out, and let me know what you guys think as well. In addition to sending me these markers and giving me an affiliate link for you guys, Chalkola also sent me a link to their website where you could win some items from them for free. There is some items that you do have to pay for shipping, but I'm going to put this link in the description below. So without further ado, let's just get started with the video. The first thing you have to do is to get the ink flowing, so I just pressed it on a scratch sheet of paper and shook up the marker. Then I started writing on the chalkboard that I was sent. The first thing I noticed was how smooth the pen was. I messed up a bit here, so I did have to wipe it off with a wet paper towel and then take a dry paper towel to clean it off at the end. It was very simple to do, and it took a little bit of patience, but it came off perfectly. Then I wrote on my chalkboard, and it was very smooth. I wanted to test out whether or not you could actually make faux calligraphy or if it would be very streaky, and it seemed to just fill in seamlessly. As you can see here, you can barely tell that I even went over it again, and this is without it even being dry. Once it's dry, you can't tell that I actually went over it again. I will say it doesn't dry super quick, so you'll want to make sure that you don't drag your hand across it while you're writing, or else you'll smear it. But you can do many things. You could draw on it if you're an artist. You can do calligraphy like I'm doing here. You can use it for schedules. These are really easy to write on mirrors with, so if you're working out in your garage, you can always write on a mirror. If you have one out there, write out the schedule and it won't come off, and it's opaque enough so that you can see it. I also am showing you here that I wrote some things out on a chalkboard that has the days of the week on it, so that I can just make it a school schedule / life schedule, whatever you want to make it. Those are just a few ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Go check out my last video as well as my Instagram. And don't forget that you can get some money off in the description box by clicking on the link. Thanks guys, bye!